Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the most delicious and creamy homemade Oreo ice cream with just few simple ingredients. No ice cream machines needed. It's just super easy, super yummy and perfect for any sweet cravings. So why wait? Let's get started. Now let's crush the Oreos into small chunks. Now, in a large mixing bowl, beat the heavy cream with the hand mixer until stiff peaks form for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add sweetened condensed milk, 2-3 drops of vanilla extract. Mix them until smooth. Add the crushed Oreos and fold them into the ice cream mixture. Pour the mixture into the freezer safe container. Smooth the top. And sprinkle some crushed Oreos. And cover it. Freeze for at least 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours, your yummy, homemade, chemical-free and healthy ice cream is ready to serve. Enjoy your homemade Oreo ice cream with your friends and families. Let us know in the comments how you liked it. Thanks for watching Cooking Miles. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.